Sinestro, a little star, twinkled brightly in the night sky. He was not like the other stars, for he had a special task. Sinestro was in charge of making sure all the children on Earth had sweet dreams. One night, Sinestro noticed something strange. The dreams of the children were filled with nightmares instead of sweet dreams. He was worried and decided to investigate. Sinestro flew down to Earth, leaving a trail of stardust behind him. He landed in a playground, where he found a group of children who were having bad dreams. "Hello, little ones," Sinestro said, twinkling brighter. "I'm here to help. I've noticed that your dreams have been filled with nightmares lately. Let's change that." The children smiled, grateful for Sinestro's help. He told them stories of adventure, friendship, and love. The stories were so enchanting that the children's eyes grew wide and their smiles grew brighter. Sinestro continued telling stories to the children, and soon they were fast asleep, dreaming sweet dreams once more. The night sky was filled with the laughter and joy of the children, and Sinestro twinkled even brighter. From that night on, Sinestro made it his mission to ensure that every child on Earth had sweet dreams. He became a guardian of dreams, a shining star in the night sky, and a friend to all the children of the world. And every night, when the children went to bed, they would look up at the sky and see Sinestro, twinkling brightly, watching over them. They knew that as long as Sinestro was there, they would always have sweet dreams.